In 3, 2, 1, go!
We are rolling here for qualification match number 39 on the Daly division at your first championship for Charged Up. We'll see 5 of our 6 robots moving, now 6 of 6 moving here in the pre-programmed autonomous period. Chicken Pot Pie, last one moved there on blue. However, they do help their alliance eke out a lead coming out of the autonomous period. They're 39-37, your live score. Now all alliances working on game pieces for their alliance grids. 1, 2, 3 getting placed over here on red. First one gets dropped by Droid Rage. It's a cone in the lower goal, and then we get a cone and cube both on the upper level from the Due Westerners and the Eagle Bots, rounding out what ends up being a total of 13 points on that alliance cycle. Blue Alliance working in a bit of a disjointed cycle now. We'll have Chicken Pot Pie and the Rocketeers making their way across as a crew of 2. Cones going up. This alliance almost exclusively focusing on cones so far. There's an 8-point total cycle. Actually make that 13-point total cycle as a link was finished as part of that effort. And that's going to bring the alliance score up to 87 there on blue. To the red alliance's 59. Minute and 15 left to play here in this qualification match, and a huge traffic rumble in midfield as these robots collide all over the place. There's 3082, the Blue Alliance machine of Chicken Pot Pie out of Minnetonka. Making their way across, they'll chase Droid Rage from Corpus Christi. Just about all the way back to Corpus Christi, they'll drop the cone there on the Red Alliance grid in a node that was already previously scored. So we'll have to see if they decide to supercharge this grid for it to count for further score. 97-74, your score here with 45 seconds left to play. We've got yet more traffic problems going on here. That one's going to be between Chicken Pot Pie and the Eagle Bots down in the bottom right-ish quadrant of the field. The fight does break up. Both alliances are free to go pick up game pieces as they choose. Briefly, before Chicken Pot Pie decides to make a stew out of all these robot parts once more, they'll chase right back into the Eagle Bots. Quite a grudge match going on there en route back to the Blue Alliance charge station. Up and at them they go. They topple it over. They make room for their alliance partners, the Rocketeers, to join them. In comes the last robot. This is Lindblom from Chicago. Can they get up there? 1, 2, 3. Count them. It's good at the buzzer. 30-point endgame there on blue, and we'll get a 20 on red between the Eagle Bots and blue. 110 points red, and it'll be a 3-to-1 rank point split there as those Blue Alliance teams take home 2 for winning the match and 1 for the activation bonus rank point there, easily exceeding the 26-point charge station threshold.